To explain the relationship between sine, cosine, and tangent, we have an example triangle here. This is actually a fairly common one, the 5, 4, and 3 side triangle. And we're going to kind of talk about, in terms of our sine, cosine, tangent, what each of them would be in terms of this respective angle. So I like the acronym SOHCAHTOA to remember it best. SO stands for sine of the angle that I'm looking at is equal to opposite over the hypotenuse. Then so CA is the other part of the acronym that stands for cosine of the angle is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And then TOA stands for the tangent of the angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So you'll see the O is always set to opposite, H is the hypotenuse, A is the adjacent, and it's going to give me that acronym to help me remember each perspective side. So if I wanted to set up this, the sine of theta with respect to this specific right triangle, and again, it only works for right triangles, I would write it as it's equal to the opposite. Well, what side is opposite this angle? It's 3. So it would be 3, and then there's only ever one side that's the hypotenuse. It's the long side, and it's the diagonal, so it would be 3 over 5. The cosine of theta, what side is adjacent to that angle that is not the hypotenuse, would be 4, and then again over the hypotenuse, which would be 5. And then the tangent of theta, which has to do with the two leg sides and the non-hypotenuse sides, would be the opposite, which we had said was 3, over the adjacent, which is 4.